friends, and welcome. In my previous video, we discussed mean, median, and mode, and frequency distributions. So if you've watched that, or if you already have a firm grasp on those ideas, then join me because I am excited to talk about IQR and box plots. So in the previous video, we defined a distribution. And I will draw a normal distribution here. Relatively normal distribution. So we can represent the same data set by drawing a box plot. Sometimes it's called a box and whiskers plot. Looks like this. Here's the whiskers and the box. So it may look a little confusing at first glance, but the lines on a box plot tell us something about the data. This line is the minimum, and this line is the max of our data. So a box plot divides the data up into 4 pieces, which we call quartiles. And this would be quartile 1, this would be 2, 3, and Q4. So sometimes when we are extracting knowledge from a data set, we may want to extract or leave out some of the data that could be either just extreme frequencies or irrelevant to what we're looking for. And a quick way to do that using a box plot is to calculate the IQR, or the interquartile range, which is this box right here. It represents most of the data. And to do that, you just want to subtract Q1 from Q4. So Q4 minus Q1 equals the interquartile range. And in data science, sometimes you might be asked to only use the IQR. This can sometimes be handy when you're dealing with a distribution that is highly skewed. So say our data set looks like this, our box plot would look something like this. Something like that. Where this box represents the majority of the data. You might have some outliers here that would skew the data in one direction or another, and you just want the middle of the data. So it's really handy to know. I hope you enjoyed this explanation of what IQR is, how to calculate it, and how to interpret a box plot. If you liked this tip, then you might also like the other videos I have in this playlist. So check those out, and good luck on your data science learning journey.